Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop updates on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, simply go to search bar and then type settings. Then from the search results, click here to open it. After that, select Windows updates from the left side corner. Now we need to pause the updates. So from here you can select it, then go to advanced options. We need to disable all these options one by one. After that, close this window, then go to search bar, type services, then click here to open it. Now on this window we need to find out Windows update. So here it is, it's running. So right click on it, select stop, again right click on it, select properties, then go to startup type and select disabled, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window. Now click here and open settings, then go to network and internet. Then you can click on Wi-Fi or in the Ethernet as per your network connection. So in my system it's Ethernet, so I will click on it. Then just scroll down and from meter connection we need to enable this option. Once done, close this window. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.